Welcome to WiselyWise online workshop series. Artificial Intelligence workshop conducted virtually for grades 7 to 8. AI is leading the fourth industrial revolution worldwide. It is already impacting all aspects of our daily lives. Learning AI early will give kids an edge to get ready for the AI future. WiselyWise has introduced online workshops for grades 7 to 8 to get them started in their AI learning journey. Here is a glimpse into our AI Explorer online workshop conducted for students of grades 7 to 8. The 3 days journey was designed to give them exposure to creative computing, critical thinking, and problem solving. Students also got an idea of mathematical and computational thinking. Before the journey started, all students were given access to the AI Explorer course on Wise Central, our AI education platform. We took the students on an Avenger journey with us to 3 missions. Here is a glimpse of all the learning, fun, and games that followed. Day 1. We started with an interesting Avenger quiz to start their mission in the Avenger journey. And they got an understanding of AI from the introduction of AI to applications of AI. We started with a basic to the core understanding of machine learning with the help of a flowchart and algorithms, and did hands-on assignments on this, and got understanding of artificial intelligence in daily life, and create their website in just few minutes of time using the power of artificial intelligence. At the end of day 1, they got homework to understand AI in society and applications of AI. Day 2. Day 2 Avenger journey, they started on Scratch mission with their introduction to Scratch and project on Scratch to create a ghost game using Scratch. And after this, they started to Avenger hunting activity to learn about AI applications. And day 2 they did an Avenger drawing game and learnt the more about AI applications. Millions of photos have already been preloaded into the machine. When someone tries to draw a shape, the machine starts guessing what the shape is from those millions of photos and keeps learning at the same time. And to continue on their day 1 mission on machine learning using Scratch to solve the difficulty of algorithms and flowcharts. In this, they created images classification projects using machine learning and Scratch. And day 3. At day 3, students learnt about how to teach a bot. At the end of day 3, they completed their course mission and got certified. In this 3 days journey, students were introduced to concepts in AI, ML, computer vision, NLP, and robotics. They also got exposure to sequence, fundamental coding blocks, and loops to create AI applications using Scratch. Finally, each student created their very own DPDs, capturing all the projects they completed in this Avenger mission with us. We are happy to share that by the end of the 3 days online workshop, all students were capable of creating advanced Scratch programs in artificial intelligence. Register your school to experience the artificial intelligence space. Thanks for watching.